3 days ago, we were scraping ice off our windshield in Canada. Today, I'm sweating in Thailand and somehow paying less to live. If you're watching this while freezing somewhere, just know this: 3 days ago, we were too. This video isn't about luxury, it's about what it actually looks like to escape winter and high cost of living in Canada, even if just for a few months. So, let me show you what the first few days really look like. No hype, just real life so far. Have you ever seen so much snow in your life? Look at those trees, heavy laden. Comment below if you can tell what song he's trying to play. We stay here periodically just for a night to recoup from jet lag. This was $59 Canadian, and it includes an awesome breakfast buffet. Can you guess what song this customer at the Wake 'em Inn Hotel in Chiang Rai is practicing on the piano there? So leaving the Wake 'em Inn, we walked over to the Night Bazaar and had our first official Thai meal. Something we love to do is go there. Anyway, just to give you an update on the cost to fly, it cost us $3,095, and that's return, and that's Canadian, from Winnipeg to Vancouver to Bangkok. And then once we get to Bangkok, I usually book our Bangkok to Chiang Rai, and I do that simply because you never know what's going to happen between Winnipeg and Bangkok. And in fact, we lost approximately an hour leaving Winnipeg, but it didn't affect the rest of the flight. $222 one way for both of us, not each, but total, $222 and change Canadian from Bangkok to Chiang Rai. But we had to sit at the airport for approximately 12 hours because a few of the earlier flights were booked or extremely expensive because they're last minute, right? You pay last minute, you buy last minute, you're gonna pay top dollar. But we waited about 12 hours before we left Bangkok for Chiang Rai. So, hot pot, first night in Chiang Rai. What is that, pork? Pork? Okay.
And liver pork.
Oh, yeah.
Pork liver. 120. The whole thing is 120. Except water and
Tissue paper. Right. Noodles next. Vegetables. And Nutch always likes to get these fried, it's like mackerel, but I don't know what it is, but she says they're delicious because they have fish eggs inside. Yucky. And there's the evening's entertainment.
we came here many times. I like here.
Yeah, I know, me too. And it's usually a lot more people, but I think it's because it's later.
Today we came late.
We came
from the
late
flight.
because we just got here and we haven't
That's
really
why
eaten
we
much
rent a
today.
hotel here one night.
Yeah.
Rent hotel one night. Tomorrow we have to go to Big C for a food for eat, and maybe Nancy come and get us. If she's still busy at the business, she cannot come. We just take the Grab back home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Spicy. Did you say spicy?
Normally it's not spicy and yummy, but I like it, but just a little bit because,
Just a little bit.
yeah, because I cannot eat too much spicy.
Exactly. Me neither. And the lid goes on for a few more minutes. Nutch will be happy to have her Thai noodle soup. And remember, this is breakfast for her. Now she's getting some rice or something. As a side note, I forgot to mention that when you're booking the room, and if you opt out of not having the buffet, but choose to have it later, then it will cost you 200 Thai baht per person. Conversion translation is $8.63 each. And I also forgot to mention that this hotel has a swimming pool. We didn't use it this time, but we have used it in the past. It's small, but it's nice. Oh yeah, I guess it helps if I turn it on, right? The Wacom Hotel. And the kitty. Meow.
I have to do text-to-speech because my audio quit for some reason. As we make our way to the Big C for groceries that cost just under 1,000 Thai baht, which equals about $43 Canadian, I wish I took a picture of all the food we got for that price. Next time I'll try to remember. We then took the approximately 40-minute taxi ride to the house from the city at a cost of 318 Thai baht. That equals $13.73 at today's currency conversion. It doesn't matter what province you come from. You'll pay a heck of a lot more for a 40-minute taxi ride in Canada. Watch one of the videos that pops up. It's free and supports our efforts here. Also, subscribing and clicking on the bell keeps you up to date on our future shenanigans. We are here for 3 months and we just got started.